There. Today I was back at Stanley Park to see what's going on and give a little update on the Liverpool Anfield expansion. So as you can see here, it was very windy and this starts swinging. I thought it was going to go. It gets worse than this. So they're placing this on to the front of the side of the roof, I believe. We do get round and you can see it starts properly swinging. I honestly thought it was going to go. We've used the zoom function a lot on today's video. Recently worked out how to do that with the help of Craig from Craig's Adventures. So let's have a look, see what's going on today. The main thing is I was watching is this swing, and look at it go. Look at it, it's absolutely all over the place. We were getting strong wind warnings right while we were up, but we struggled through and I didn't lose my drone, so that's a win. That's a win. Look at it go. Absolutely going everywhere. Okay, so they've been working on the roof today. As you can see, there's some people to the bottom right of your corner there. I think they were there trying to fit this in, but it's not the best day to be using a crane. See, look, oh, nearly went. Anyway, should we get on with the video? Okay. Look, it's still nearly going. Okay, so with the update, here we go. So, as you'll see when we get round, most of the, I think nearly all of the old stand, the steelwork is nearly gone now. So, that's a good thing. They have started installing new seats into the expansion, I should say. So, all good, all good. We did on our live stream on Sunday, which is at 11 o'clock every Sunday, by the way. We go live, give you some live updates, try and answer any questions there and then. I'll just grab a worker and ask them a question. I'm not fussed about doing that. Anyway, so we're just flying around now to see what was happening, what was going on, and I got a bit distracted by that, to be honest, which is why I've recorded the voiceover post rather than, well, I don't record the live anyway, so yeah. So as you'll see when we come round now, you'll see them new seats just starting to appear in. We have got a little bonus video from inside the ground, the expansion. It's at the very back row, so you'll be able to see that. The quality of the video is not amazing, but we'll put it out anyway. Okay, so let's move on to this update. So there's still cranes on the pitch. Big Yellow has gone out of the car park as well. The big yellow crane that was there, that's gone. I think that had gone the other day, to be honest. So we just come around and see what's going on. They still haven't completed the cladding on the front or the back of the stands, the expansion. So I don't know whether, you know, that's in the plan, whether they're still fixing things on the roof before the cladding goes in. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, that is still to be completed. It looks like they're fitting like solar panels onto the top of the stand as well. They do look like solar panels. So yeah, it's still not complete as well. The back of the roof, as you can see in the very, very top corner there, top right corner, it still has all the cladding sheeting put on to the top of the roof. So there are still people working. I'm guessing this part here as well, where the guys are, is still got to go cladding on, joining the Anfield Road to the Sir Kenneth Eggerly stand. So that is still to be completed as well. So it was a beautiful day out on Stanley Park today. We're just going to get up and we do go around the other side as well. So we will be bringing you what it looks like from above. It might just going over the stands now. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. You can subscribe to our channel, my channel, our channel. Oscar comes on now and again, so I guess it is our channel. And that will just give you our videos in your recommended section. So we are just coming round over the main stand, and this is where we were starting to get the really strong wind warnings. It wouldn't go, it went when we were by the crane, but it was here. So this bit isn't rushed, but it was coming down and getting out the sky as I was still recording, because I didn't want to lose the drone. So that's why it's not rushed, but it is not as detailed as the rest of it. But we zoom in here to see not really much happening on the roof. There's still these bits on the edge to be completed as well, but again, I guess maybe they're still doing work underneath before they cover that up. I'm presuming they've been left blank on purpose for a specific reason. Okay, but you come down and round. We're zoomed in, so any slight movement with one of the joysticks like jogs the video slightly, but we are trying to make it as smooth as possible. So the windows are installed. They just need to complete the brickwork, I presume. So that should be completed soon. So I had a completion date of the 28th of July. Two different workers both said to us on our live stream on Sunday that is not going to be completed. It's not going to be completed by that time. So there you go with that. That crane, by the time we got round it, I don't know whether he'd placed that down or he'd dropped it somewhere. But if he didn't drop it, that piece, it looked like a piece of steel. That piece of steel was definitely going to go. Oh no, it's still in the air there. Is it? No, that's a roof. So, yeah. Not a great deal happening, but I'm glad we did catch that. Yeah, they're lifting it back up now. They're giving it go to. Okay, so I'm going to get back tomorrow and see what's going on. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you very soon. Like I said, the quality of this video is not fantastic. We have tried to get the quality of the video up by rendering it in 4K. I think that made much of a difference, but I just thought you might like to see it from the back row. Yeah, so take care of yourselves, and we'll see you tomorrow.